Welcome back, guys. Today's quick tip video is how to fix your electronic auto leveling system. This is the Ground Control 3.0 system. It's very easy to do. Even if there's codes going off on this screen, it's still very simple. First thing you want to do is lower all your jacks about 6 inches or halfway. You can have it hooked up to your truck if you want, or you can do it without. Just make sure that your truck is out of the way and that there's nothing that's going to be smashed by it. Okay, to lower your jacks manually, you'll hold down the front button to lower the front jacks, the rear button to lower the rear jacks, and you hold these two together to lower the center jacks. Once that's done, you'll come in here, you'll scroll down to auto retract all. You'll hit enter, all the jacks will come up and it resets itself and it's fixed and you're ready to go. Okay, if you had trouble lowering your center jacks, if they're not working, the next thing you do is lower everything, auto retract all till it's down as low as it can go, and then don't raise anything up, you just hit auto level and it'll correct itself. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I put a link in the description below for all the items that we used. See you next time.